Society tells you that if you have no friends, you're broken, antisocial, or a failure. But what if the opposite is true? What if your solitude is actually a byproduct of a highly evolved brain? Psychology and neuroscience are now revealing that being alone isn't about a lack of social skills. It's about having a trust threshold that most people simply can't clear. If you've spent long periods without a social circle, it's time to stop apologizing. Today, we decode the 5 psychological reasons why your brain chooses solitude over shallow connections. 1. You have zero tolerance for inauthentic behavior. Your brain isn't just annoyed by fake people, it's biologically exhausted by them. High awareness individuals have a sharper prefrontal cortex, which acts like a biological lie detector. According to a 2023 study published in Nature Communications titled Neural Signatures of Social Authenticity Detection, the brain's reward system shuts down when it detects a mismatch between someone's words and their true intentions. While others smile through shallow gossip, your brain registers it as a threat to your mental energy. You'd rather be alone than sit through a performance. Well, you aren't antisocial. You're protecting your peace from social noise. 2. You prefer depth over quantity. Most people collect acquaintances like trading cards. You seek resonance. People with higher cognitive complexity find small talk physically draining. Research shows that deep thinkers process information through the ventral striatum differently, seeking the dopamine hit from intellectual breakthroughs rather than social validation. You don't want to talk about the weather. You want to talk about psychology, ideas, and what makes life meaningful. If a connection doesn't have substance, you simply don't engage. It's not that you can't talk, it's that you refuse to waste your breath on the empty. 3. Your brain needs a longer cool-down period. Psychology calls this high social sensitivity. A groundbreaking 2024 paper in the Journal of Neuroscience titled Dopaminergic Sensitivity and the Cost of Social Interaction in Introverted Phenotypes suggests that for some, social interaction costs significantly more metabolic energy, while extroverts gain energy from a crowd. Your brain is busy processing every micro expression, every tone shift, and every hidden motive. This isn't a weakness, it's a superpower of observation. But it comes with a price. After socializing, you need absolute solitude to recharge your nervous system. You don't hate people. You just value your energy. 4. You are extremely independent. Most people use their social circle as a mirror to feel good about themselves. This is called external validation. However, research shows that individuals with a strong sense of self have low social dependency. You can entertain yourself. You can solve your own problems. You've built an entire world inside your mind that is more interesting than the party next door. This makes you seem distant or cold to others, but in reality, it's a position of strength. You don't need a circle, you choose one. And if no one meets your standards, you are perfectly fine walking alone. 5. Past experiences have rewired your amygdala. Let's be real. Many who walk alone have been burned before. Betrayal or childhood neglect teaches the brain to be protective. This creates a trust threshold. You observe longer. You test people before letting them in. Psychologists call this adaptive social caution. You've realized that the cost of letting the wrong person in is much higher than the cost of being alone. Remember, if you have few friends, it doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It means your mind is a high security vault, not a public park. The people with the strongest minds often walk alone until they find someone worth the journey. Well, if this video felt like it was reading your mind, you are part of a rare group. Welcome to the Biocode. We don't just talk about habits. We decode the biology behind why you are the way you are. Hit the subscribe button. Join our community of deep thinkers and let me know in the comments, are Are you alone by choice or by caution? Let's talk in the comments. Run the program. Till the next video.